Since coming to Right Look, I learned that the techniques, the knowledge, proper process to reconditioning a car is far from what I thought.
Hello, my name is Adrian Pond. I'm from Fresno, California. The reason I'm here at Right Look is to become an auto reconditioning specialist.
Hi, my name is Jimmy Smith. I'm from Vicksburg, Mississippi. I came to Right Look to obtain the proper knowledge on how to recondition a car.
I chose to do auto appearance because I've just been really involved in cars my whole life. They've been a big factor for me. You know, I love cars. It's something I love to do, so I'd rather work on cars and do something I like than make money for it.
I was interested because I went on the website. Well, I went on YouTube and I was looking up auto detailing and Right Look popped up. I've always wanted to be an entrepreneur.
I would say it was pretty cool. Honestly, I didn't expect to learn this much about detailing. It's a lot to go into it. Honestly, the paint system, I didn't know too much about it, and learning about that, about the thickness, different thicknesses and stuff, you know, helped out a lot.
Since coming to Right Look, I learned that the techniques, the knowledge, proper process to recondition a car is far from what I thought. The trainer here, Ruben, he really goes through the process of teaching you the proper techniques, how to use the products, even using the pressure washer and how to spray and just the different techniques. Everything has a process. So through the training process, I see that this will set me apart from other car enthusiasts or detailers in my area.
And we did everything pretty slowly. We learned everything step by step, and we got checklists and everything, so I think that was a big helpful right there. He explained a lot of stuff that we wouldn't get, I guess, in a bigger class. So we got a lot of one-on-one, and that's how I work and learn better, so it was good for me.
You'll save time and money, you know. You investing in yourself through the class. No one can take this knowledge away from you. He taught us how to use the tool the proper way and the timing, so you won't be spending so much time doing one thing to basically get the job done and to get the job done well.
After doing it all, the ceramic coating was just like the icing on the top. It made everything pop.
I felt really good about it. The ceramic coating, it sets the car apart. I mean, if someone gets the ceramic coating, they won't be sorry.
Going back home, you know, I'm just planning to get right to it, put all of what I learned here straight to work. You know, I'm planning to get right to it, get all my equipment set up, get everything set up, and I just want to use what I learned here in the real world and just get straight to it. My name is Adrian. I came here to Right Look, and I believe that I learned everything that I need to be successful.
My name is Jimmy Smith, and I'm here at Right Look, and it was definitely worth taking the class. You'll be more confident, and it'll set you apart from the other detailers or your competition, I'll say.